Luke, I am your father. This is one of the most memorable quotes that thousands of people vividly remember. It has been used in parodies, put on coffee mugs, and has been said a countless number of times. Well, what if I told you that the whole world has been wrong all of these years? Darth Vader actually says, "No, I am your father." If this is the case, then why was everybody wrong? Situations like this have been occurring for a while now. This is called the Mandela Effect. The Mandela Effect has a deep history. There are examples upon examples of it, and many experts have conjured up theories and explanations behind it. This phenomenon is continuing to shock the world, and there will be more in the years to come. You're probably wondering what exactly the Mandela Effect is. According to Snopes.com, it is a phenomenon in which a large number of people share false memories of past events. The history behind this effect is bizarre. It all started with former president of South Africa, Nelson Mandela. The first occurrence was when a paranormal investigator named Fiona Broom swore that she remembered that Nelson Mandela died long before his actual death on December 10th, 2013. She thought this was just her misunderstanding the news until more people started to speak up about it. It was revealed that there were thousands of other people across the globe that thought the same exact thing as her. They all believed that Nelson died in prison in the 80s. They even remember details from his funeral shown on television. When Fiona realized that she wasn't the only one, she spoke out about it even more. She created a website named themandelaeffect.com. According to Fiona, this isn't a conspiracy theory. It's not a mental health site, and the website isn't about so-called fake news, alternative facts, or false memories. It is about real, alternate history, recalled with astonishingly similar details and points of reference by multiple unconnected people. In late 2009, the website was launched, and the phrase Mandela Effect was used to describe this emerging phenomenon. From 2010 to 2014, the controversy of Nelson Mandela's death was a hot topic. People would start discussions on the website, telling their stories of what they remember. In 2015, everything blew up. Word of this insane effect messing with people's brains got out. This was about the same time that the Berenstein subject went viral. Most of you all probably know this friendly, funny bear family from your childhood, and you probably remember them as the Berenstein Bears. Well, they are not the Berenstein Bears, they are actually the Berenstain Bears. When this blew up, everybody went crazy. It was revealed that there were thousands of other people across the globe that thought this as well. I even vividly remember this being called the Berenstein Bears as I watched their show and read their books as a kid. Since this story came into light, there were hundreds of other Mandela effects that came about. Along with the Berenstein Bears, there are so many other crazy Mandela effects that will blow your mind. Let's start with the Monocle Man. I want you all to imagine him in your mind right now. He has a cane, a top hat, and a monocle, right? Wrong. He never once had a monocle, even though the whole world vividly remembers this. Now, do you all remember the song, "We Are the Champions" by Queen? The end of the song goes, "We are the champions of the world." Well, not so much. They never actually say "of the world." The song just ends with, "We are the champions." Now, this next one is one that really shocks me. There is a movie called The Silence of the Lambs, and there is a character named Hannibal Lecter who says his famous line, "Hello, Clarice." Anyone who has seen this movie can attest to this. Well, this line was actually never said. Hannibal Lecter only says, "Good morning." That's it. BuzzFeed says it perfectly when they ask, how is a film's most well-known line non-existent? While on the topic of famous lines, there is another that is not quite what everybody remembers. Everybody knows the story of Snow White. She has an evil queen who always talks to her mirror and asks his opinion. How does that line go again? Is it "mirror, mirror on the wall"? Nope, it's actually "magic mirror on the wall." This is definitely not the phrase that everybody remembers. There is even a Snow White spin-off named "Mirror, Mirror," and this phrase is printed on tons of Disney apparel. Now, let's move on over to food for a second. There's nothing like a good Kit Kat bar. In fact, there's even a Mandela effect over this delicious candy bar. People were going crazy when they were told that Kit Kat never actually had a dash in between the words Kit and Kat. Another example involving food is the famous chicken restaurant, Chick-fil-A. The controversy revolves around the spelling of this restaurant. Many believe that it is C-H-I-C, filet, when in reality, it is actually C-H-I-C-K, with the entire word chick in it. The amount of Mandela effects in this world is mind-blowing. You're probably thinking that there has to be some sort of reasonable explanation for all of this. Well, there are plenty of theories circulating around the internet. The first theory involves parallel universes. According to NatalinaCuna.com, the predominant theory out there is that the whole phenomenon is a byproduct of the fact that there are multiple dimensions and parallel universes. This is a theory that is also supported by modern quantum physics. Many people are starting to question reality and experience what current quantum physics is actually suggesting, that we are all living in a holographic or computer-simulated world of multi-dimensions. The theory is that people that remember alternative facts have tapped into an alternate universe. There is also a more rational theory that states that us as a society just have misunderstood information that is given to us. Michael Shermer, a skeptic from Chapman University, states, "None of us like to believe that a memory we are confident is accurate is in fact completely wrong. It is thought that if we are told information from the past, then the new information given to us will overwrite our previous memories, therefore making us believe that it has been this way all along." So, which theory do you believe? The Mandela Effect is a phenomenon that has shocked the world, and it all started with one story that grew into hundreds. The history behind this is crazy, and it started with just one woman. There are hundreds of Mandela effects all over the globe and more to come. With all of these effects, experts have conjured up plenty of theories and explanations. Did the whole world really just misunderstand information? Or are we dealing with parallel universes? Who knows? Maybe in another universe, you won't even remember me delivering this speech.